Then in previously we discussed the postulates about the Bohr's atomic model, and there are the different postulates are present in the Bohr's atomic model, and also we explained the limitations of the Bohr's atomic model, that is the drawbacks of the Bohr's atomic model. So on the drawbacks, one drawback is the Bohr's atomic model is failed to explain the multi-electron containing atom atomic spectrum. That means the Bohr's atomic model is explained the only single electron containing atomic spectrum like a hydrogen atomic spectrum. How the Bohr's atomic model is explains the hydrogen atomic spectrum? So in this class we should explain the hydrogen atomic spectrum, how it is explained the Bohr's atomic model. So we are going to explain about the hydrogen atomic spectrum. Simple. Here we should use the hydrogen gas. When we apply some heat energy to that hydrogen gas, and on that hydrogen gas there are the number of hydrogen atoms are present and number of electrons is present in hydrogen gas. So when we apply some heat energy to the hydrogen gas, the electron which are present in the hydrogen gas, they absorb the different amount of the energy. They will absorb the different amount of energy and they goes to the different energy levels. What is that here? This is the important one. When we apply some amount of heat energy to the hydrogen gas, the electrons which are present in the hydrogen gas is absorbed not constant energy. They will absorb the different amount of energy and they will goes to the different energy levels. That means they are excited to the different energy levels. For example, one electron goes to the second energy level, one electron goes to the third energy level, another electron goes to the fifth energy level, another electron goes to the seventh energy level. So this is the meaning. And that energy level, the electron is the unstable. Immediately that electrons is released emitted some amount of heat energy, and again they come back to the lower energy levels. Again they are come back to the lower energy levels. When they release some amount of energy, here that amount of energy, that released energy, the emitted energy is form the emission spectrum, simply that is called as a hydrogen atomic emission spectrum. That is the meaning about the hydrogen atomic emission spectrum. And this hydrogen atomic emission spectrum, for easy understanding, it can be divided into the 5 series. What is that? For easily understanding about the hydrogen atomic spectrum, hydrogen atomic emission spectrum, it can be classified into 5 series. On that 5 series, first series is the Lyman series, second one is the Balmer series, third one is the Paschen series, fourth one is the Brackett series, fifth one is the Fund series. So these are the 5 series which are present in the hydrogen atomic spectrum. What is that? Hydrogen atomic spectrum is classified into 5 types of the series. One is Lyman series, second one is Balmer series, third one is Paschen series, fourth one is Brackett series, fifth one is Fund series. So the simple meaning about this series, Lyman series means all higher energy level electrons are come back to the first energy level. All higher energy level electrons are come back to the first energy level. It is called as a Lyman series. What is that? All higher energy level electrons are come back to the first energy level. is called as a Lyman series. So this Lyman series is appearing in ultraviolet region. Lyman series is appearing in where? Ultraviolet region. So Lyman series means how it can be defined? All higher energy level electrons are come back to the first energy level. That is called as a Lyman series. So means second energy level electron come back to the first energy level, third electron come back to the first energy level, fourth energy level electron come back to the first energy level. Similarly, fifth to 1, sixth to 1, seventh to 1 means all higher energy level electrons are come back to the first energy level. That is called as a Lyman series. For Lyman series, N1 value is equals to 1 and N2 is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dash up to infinite. So this is about the meaning of the Lyman series. Next, Balmer series. Simple definition. All higher energy level electrons are come back to the second energy level. That is called as a Balmer series. How it can be defined? All higher energy level electrons are come back to the second energy level. That is called as a Balmer series. It is appearing in the visible region. Visible region means these are the visible for naked eye. So it is appear in the visible region. So for Balmer series, N1 is equals to 2. Similarly, N2 is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, dash up to infinite. Means N1 is equals to 2. Why here we are using the N1 is equals to 2 means in the definition of Balmer series, all higher energy level electrons are come back to the where? Second energy level. Due to that, N1 is equals to 2. So N2 is equals to starting with 3, 4, 5 dash. So this is the Balmer series. Next, Paschen series. Simple meaning. How it can be defined? Let me simple. All higher energy level electrons are come back to third energy level. That is called as a Paschen series. What is that? All higher energy level electrons are come back to third energy level. That is called as a Paschen series. So it is appearing in near IR region, near infrared region. So for this Paschen series, N1 is 3, N2 is starting from 4, 5, 6, 7 dash. This is about the Paschen series. Next, bracket series. Fourth series is the bracket series. How it can be defined? All higher energy level electrons are come back to the fourth energy level. That is called as a bracket series. What is that? All higher energy level electrons are come back to the fourth energy level. So that is called as a bracket series. So it is appear in the middle IR region. For bracket series, N1 is equals to 4, N2 is equals to 5, 6, 7 dash. This is the meaning about the bracket series. Next, Fund series. How it can be defined? Simple. All higher energy level electrons are come back to fifth energy level. That is called as a Fund series. All higher energy level electrons are come back to the fifth level. That is called as a Fund series. It is appearing in the far infrared region, far IR region. For Fund series, N1 is equals to 5 and N2 is equals to 6, 7, 8, 9, dash. So this is about the Fund series. So this Paschen, bracket, Fund series, these three series are appearing in the infrared region, IR region, So it is near IR, middle IR or far IR region. But finally the 3 series lines are appearing in the IR region. So this is about the Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Pfund series meaning. What is that? Hydrogen atomic spectrum lines can be divided into the 5 series. On that 5 series, one is the Lyman series, second one is Brackett series, Balmer series, third one is Paschen series, fourth one is Brackett series, fifth one is Pfund series. Lyman series means all higher energy level electrons are come back to the first energy level, that is the Lyman series. All higher energy level electrons are come back to the second energy level, that is the Balmer series. All higher energy level electrons are come back to the third energy level, that is the Paschen series. All higher energy level electrons are come back to the fourth energy level, that is the Brackett series. All higher energy level electrons are come back to the fifth energy level, that is called as a Pfund series. So this is the simple meaning about the Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Pfund series, their N1 and N2 values. So this hydrogen atomic spectrum, different lines, different series can be represented simple graphical representation or simple diagrammatic representation. So these are the electronic transitions. These are electronic transitions, and here these are the energy levels. N is equals to first energy level, N is equals to second energy level, N is equals to third energy level, N is equals to fourth energy level, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth energy level. Similarly 9, 10 energy levels up to infinite energy levels. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When the energy level increases, their energy is also increases. Energy is also increases means first energy level energy, second energy level energy, third energy level energy. The energy level increases. The energy also increases. And here the energy difference between the energy levels, when we move to the 1 to infinite, difference will be decreases. Here first and second energy level difference will be more. First and second energy level energy difference is more. Then here the energy difference will be decreases from 2 to third energy level. From 3 to fourth energy level energy difference is decreases. That means when we move to the lower to higher energy levels, the energy difference in between the energy levels will be decreases. Due to that reason, here the gap will be more, here gap will be less, compare this, gap will be less, compare these two, gap will be less, compare these two, gap will be less, gap will be less, gap will be less. So that means energy difference will be decreases in between the energy levels. When energy levels increases, energy difference will be decreases. So that is the diagram meaning. And these are the electronic transitions. Simple meaning. When all higher energy level electrons are come back to the first energy level, means if the electron is present at 8th energy level, example, that electron is come back to the first energy level. Similarly, if electron is present at 7th energy level, it come back to the first energy level. If electron is present at 6th energy level, it come back to the first energy level. Electron is present at 5th energy level, come back to the first energy level. Third, come back to the first two. Second, come back to the first two. So that means all higher energy level electrons are come back to the first energy level. What is that? That is called as a Lyman series. So this is the meaning about the spectral line. Then all higher energy level electrons are come back to the second energy level. That is called as a Balmer series. All are come back to the second energy level. Similarly, all higher energy level electrons are come back to the third energy level. Means 8th energy level to the third, 7th energy level to the third, 6th energy level to the third, 5th energy level to the third, 4th energy level to the third. All higher energy level electrons are come back to the third energy level. It is called as a Paschen series. Similarly, all higher energy level electrons are come back to the fourth energy level. It is called as a bracket series. All higher energy level electrons are come back to the fifth energy level. All are come back to the fifth energy level. It is called as a Fund series. So, these are the electronic transitions in hydrogen atomic spectrum. And the simple tabular form for this hydrogen atomic spectrum is here the name of the series and their N1 value and their N2 value, their appearing region. Already we have to know Lyman series. N1 is the 1, N2 is the 2, 3, 4 dash dash. It is appear in the UV region. Simple way. Second one is the Balmer series. N1 value is the 2. Previously we explained. N2 is the 3, 4, 5 dash dash. It is appear in the visible region. And Paschen series. N1 is the 3. N2 is the 4, 5, 6. It is appear in the near IR region. And bracket series. N1 is the 4. N2 is the 5, 6, 7 and it is appear in the middle IR region. Simple tabular form. Fifth one is the Fund series. Its N1 value is the 5 and N2 value is the 5 means 6, 7, 8 dash dash. It is appearing in the far IR region. Simple. Lyman N1 means 1, N2 means after 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash. Balmer N1 2 means after 2, 3, 4, 5. Paschen N1 3, N2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. Bracket N1 is 4, N2 is the 5, 6, 7. Fund N1 is 5, N2 is the 6, 7, 8. So, this is the simple tabular form of the hydrogen atomic spectrum. And these are the electronic transitions in a hydrogen atomic spectrum. Simple diagrammatic form.